सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। अल्लाह भी रसूल का, जन्नत रसूल की, अरे दोज़ख में कैसे जाएगी उम्मत रसूल की। अल्लाह
भर दे झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दे झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दे झोली मेरी ताजदारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी ताजदारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। किस्मत का चमता सितारा, जिसने नजर करम तुमने लाली। जी मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। झोली मेरी ताजदारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। हम तुम्हारे भिखारी है या मुस्तफा, किसके आगे भला हाथ फैलाए हम। भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी ताजदारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। कुछ नवाज़ों का सदका आता हो, दर पे आया हूँ बन के सवाली। कुछ नवाज़ों का सदका आता हो, दर पे आया हूँ बन के सवाली। होली मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। मेरी ताजदारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। जिंदगी बख्श दी बंदगी को, गुरुदीन हक की बचा ली। खुश किसान ने मैदान करबला में शहे खुश किसान ने, सजदे में कर कटाए मोहम्मद के लाल ने। गोश दी बंदगी को आप ने हक की बचा ली। मोहम्मद का प्यारा नवासा, जिसने सजदे में गर्दन कटा ली। मोहम्मद का प्यारा नवासा, जिसने सजदे में गर्दन कटा ली। झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी ताजदारे मदीना लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। मैं दिन को देखेंगे जिस दम उम्मती के कहेंगे खुशी से। अब ये है वो देखो मोहम्मद जिसके साले पे कमली है काली। अब है वो देखो मोहम्मद जिसके कंधे में कमली है काली। दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दे झोली नवासों का सदका आता हो दर पे आया हूँ बन के सवाली। कुछ नवासों का सदका अताओ दर पे आया हूँ बन के सवारी। मेरी मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली।
சிறுவெள்ளாட்டை கிடப்போல் கிடந்தேன் உம் நிழலில் என் தஞ்சம் கொண்டேன். உயிர் மலையோ சமவெளியோ இரண்டிலும் நீரே என் தேவன். உயிர் மலையோ சமவெளியோ இரண்டிலும் நீரே என் தேவன். எந்த நிலையிலும் ஆராதித்திடுவேன் என்னே சுவை முழு மனதோடு ஆராதித்திடுவேன். ஏற்றமாய் தோன்றும் பாதைகள் எல்லாம் பின்னிலே தாங்கிடும் உள்ளங்கை அழகு. சற்களாய் தோன்றும் பாதைகள் எல்லாம் பின்னலாய் தாங்கிடும் உன் விரல்கள் அழகு. நான் என்ன நின்றாலும் என்னை விட்டு போகாமல் நிற்பதாலும் அழகு. நான் எந்த நிலை நின்றாலும் என்னை விட்டு போகாமல் நிற்பதெல்லாம் அழகு. விட்டு கொடுக்காத பேரழகு. உயிர் மலையோ சமவெளியோ இரண்டிலும் நீரே என் தேவன். உயிர் மலையோ சமவெளியோ இரண்டிலும் நீரே என் தேவன். எந்த நிலையிலும் ஆராதித்திடுவேன் என்னே சுவை முழு மனதோடு ஆராதித்திடுவேன். உலகத்தில் கண்ணில் பெரும்பான்மை என்றால் அதிகம் பேர் நிற்பதே அவர் சொல்லும் கணக்கு. அப்பாவும் கண்ணில் தனி மனிதனாலியும் நீ துணை நிற்பதால் பெரும்பான்மை எனக்கு. அட ஊர் என்ன சொன்னாலும் பாரது நின்னாலும் பிள்ளைதான் உமக்கு. அட ஊர் என்ன சொன்னாலும் பாரது நின்றாலும் பிள்ளையெல்லாம் உமக்கு. நிகரில்லாத தகப்பனுக்கு. உயிர் மலையோ சமவெளியோ இரண்டிலும் நீரே என் தேவன். உயிர் மலையோ சமவெளியோ இரண்டிலும் நீரே என் தேவன். எந்த நிலையிலும் ஆராதித்திடுவேன் என்னே சுவை முழு மனதோடு ஆராதித்திடுவேன்.
It is true that a prayer that comes from the heart can move mountains. It increases your faith and brings you closer to the Almighty. Thank you, teachers, for a divine praise song.
Lamp illuminates every side, those who go off the path.
The lamp shows the right path to fulfill its aim.
The lamp serves the world with all its might. For this lamp lighting ceremony, I invite Main Branch Headmistress, Mrs. Sunanda, Chief Ethics Executive, Mrs. Sumera, Unit Headmistress, Ms. Sukanya, Relationship Manager of High Tech, Mrs. Gulabi, and Mrs. Firdos Fatima.
शहर के अंधेरे को एक चिराग काफ़ी है, 100 चिराग जलते हैं एक चिराग जलने से। वक्त के अंधेरे में खुद को चिराग बन के जलाए रखना, मांगी हुई रोशनी से उजाला नहीं बनता। Let the light of courage and bravery make us capable of illuminating the path for the society and nation. शहर के अंधेरे को एक चिराग काफ़ी है। शहर के अंधेरे को एक चिराग काफ़ी है, 100 चिराग जलते हैं एक चिराग के जलने से। वक्त के अंधेरे में खुद को चिराग बन के जलाए रखना, मांगी हुई रोशनी से उजाला नहीं मिलता। Thank you, teachers. Invite my colleague, Mrs. Asiya ma'am, to welcome the beautiful gathering.
Allah, the most affectionate and the most merciful, all praises to you. The harder you work for something, the greater you all will feel when you achieve it. कामयाब होने के 3 उसूल हैं। कामयाब होने के 3 उसूल हैं। खुद से वादा, मेहनत ज़ियादा और मजबूत इरादा। A pleasant, calm, most enjoying and most memorable evening to all the ladies and gentlemen present here today. I, Mrs. Asiya, take a great esteemed privilege and honor to stand here before this huge gathering and welcome all the dignitaries and one and all present here to the most awaiting and glamorous event of the academic year 2023-24, that is the 13th annual day celebration of Aidullah Malik Public School. This is an exciting event where we celebrate the hard work and achievements of our school. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. It's indeed a pleasant evening where we all are soaked in the celebration mood and ambience. It is a day of rejoice because we all will recall together a lot of touching memories we all had experienced throughout this year. On this enthusiastic day, I take a great pleasure and honor to welcome an inspiring personality who never puts any limitations on himself, our role model who always carries some uniqueness within him, the one who creates new possibilities among all of us, a man of distinct vision, illuminary ideas and concepts for the upliftment of YMPS. He is none other than our beloved Principal Sir, Dr. Alhaj Arifullah Sharif Sir. With a thankful heart, I welcome you, sir, to this evening on behalf of Enter YM family and each and every member present here today. May Almighty Allah bless you abundantly to reach the highest level of success. आपका किरदार ही आपकी पहचान है, आपका किरदार ही आपकी पहचान है, वरना एक नाम के लाखों इंसान हैं. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. With all my affable greetings, I cordially welcome all our admin team for their consistent support and hard work, I welcome you all to this grand celebration on behalf of everyone present here today. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Now I take this opportunity to welcome the leading characters whose sincere service and responsibilities play a key role in the growth of each and every student. That is, our beloved teachers. I welcome you all teachers on this evening on behalf of everyone. Great parents are always in one of the three places, that is, in front of their children to cheer them on, behind them to have their back, and next to them so that they are not walking alone. Now, on behalf of everyone, it's my honor to welcome each and every parent present here today on this evening for your consistent support and cooperation. I welcome you all parents. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Don't compare yourself to others. Be like the sun and the moon and shine when it is your time. Now, I extend my heartiest welcome to all the young, blooming, crucial, integral future leads of our society, that is, our beloved students who all are eagerly waiting to showcase their hidden talents to entertain the audience and all the other students who are witnessing the show today. I welcome each and every one of you on behalf of everyone. Once again, an incessant flow of welcome from my heartbeats to all the luminaries, guests of honor, parents, guardians, my dear students, and my dear colleagues. Once again, I welcome you all. Nasrul minallahi wa fatahun kharib. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for your exuberant welcome, ma'am. To commence this evening of splendor, we have an electrifying performance by our YMPNs on a song, Aaye Hain.
Thank you, boys, for your energetic welcome performance. Get ready to be mesmerized by the captivating performance by 4th Aster Boys on a song तुझको ना देखूं.
तुझको ना देखूं तो जी घबराता है, तुझको ना देखूं तो जी घबराता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, कैसा नाता है, ये कैसा रिश्ता है, कैसा नाता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है। हर गम उठा लूं तन्हा अकेला, तेरे लिए है खुशियों का मेला। हर गम उठा लूं तन्हा अकेला, तेरे लिए है खुशियों का मेला। सारा संसार दूं, जीवन भी वार दूं, जितना कहे तू उतना मैं प्यार दूं, जितना कहे तू उतना मैं प्यार दूं। ये तेरा मुखड़ा ही मुझको भाता है, ये तेरा मुखड़ा ही मुझको भाता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है। तुझको ना देखूं तो जी घबराता है, देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है।
Thank you, students. That was heart-touching. Brace yourself for another magnificent performance that showcased the talent of our 4th Aster girls on a song Abhi To Banno.
थोड़ी मेहंदी लगने से पहले, थोड़ी ढोलक बजने से पहले, पैरों में पायल बंधने से पहले, थोड़ा मंडप सजने से पहले, रैगो गोल लगा के रखेगी, हाय अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी, हाँ अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी, रैगो गोल लगा के रखेगी, हाय अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी, हाँ अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी। हाथों में लगी है मेहंदी जिस पर बनने का नाम है, और जुल्फे खुली हवा में उड़ती जाए रे, परियों सा लग रहा है हंसता हुआ मेरा चेहरा, घर अपनी शादी वाली रात आई रे। तो नाचो खुल के ऐसी वेडिंग फिर ना आएगी, रे टेंशन ना लो बन्नो सबसे मिलके जाएगी, पर अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी, हाय अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी, रैगो गोल लगा के रखेगी, रे अभी तो बन्नो नचेगी। रे लहंगा बन्नो के लिए थोड़ा महंगा, अरे डायमंड वाला हार भेजियो, बाल तल ही कराए हाईलाइट, रे शैम्पू की बोतल 4 भेजियो। रे लहंगा बन्नो के लिए थोड़ा महंगा, अरे डायमंड वाला हार तो बन्नो नाचेगी।
Thank you, girls, for your cute performance.
It would have been wonderful if you could fulfill all my wishes.
Do I look like a genie to you?
No, but I wish we could have Aladdin's with his genie here.
Yes, here comes our Aladdin boys from 4th Carnation on song 2 Aladdin.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का, मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, तू मेरी बोनी का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का, तू अलादीन, मैं तेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, मार छलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, रिश्ता हमारा जैसे कि डोरी से जुड़ी हो, पतंग 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 पतंग, तुझसे बिछड़ के चल न सकूंगा एक भी मैं कदम 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 कदम, रिश्ता हमारा जैसे कि डोरी से जुड़ी हो, पतंग 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 पतंग, तुझसे बिछड़ के चल न सकूंगा एक भी मैं कदम 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 कदम, पलकों पे मुझको बस तूने बिठाया, जीने का नुस्खा यही तूने बताया, छेड़ घटा को बन के पवन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, मार छलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु.
It was a wonderful performance. Clap for all our boys. Next, we have our girls from 4th Carnation to perform on a song, मैं मर जावांगी. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
जान है मेरे पापा.
तेरे इश्क में दिल बंजारा ढूंढे है अपनी मंजिल, हद पार करके आई हूँ तुझको करने में हासिल, ओए होए ओए, तेरे इश्क में दिल बंजारा ढूंढे है अपनी मंजिल, हद पार करके आई हूँ तुझको करने में हासिल, अपनी चला तेनू किसी गैर ने छुआ ते मैं मर जावांगी, मैं मर जावांगी, जो तूने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कर ले यकीन, मैं वो कर जावांगी, मैं मर जावांगी, जे मैनू पता चला तेनू किसी गैर ने छुआ ते मैं मर जावांगी, ते मैं मर जावांगी, मैंने तेरे दिल में घर है बनाया, बुरा होगा और कोई रहने जो आया, ओ मैंने तेरे दिल में घर है बनाया, बुरा होगा और कोई रहने जो आया, नाम तेरा मेरा लिखा दिल की दीवारों पे, मैंने इसे तेरे लिए ख्वाबों से सजाया, मैं इसे राख भी कर सकती
थैंक यू गर्ल्स। मेरी हर खुशी है मेरे पापा।
आप लाखों में एक हैं, मेरी जान है मेरे पापा।
Put your hands together and welcome fourth Begonia, Prince of Father, to express their love towards their father on a song Papa Meri Jaan.
अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम, ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। धड़कन धड़कन तुम सीने में हर वक्त धड़कते हो। जाऊं कहीं भी मैं तुम हो या ना हो, पर साथ ही रहते हो। तुम होते हो इन आँखों में हर जगह। इससे बड़ी मेरी कोई खुशी, मुझे देखो जो हंस कर तुमको कुछ भी होने ना दूंगा, ये लिख लो दिल पर तुम। हथेली की लकीरों को मैं मोड़ दूं तेरे लिए। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। दरिया दरिया सहरा सहरा सूरज सा भटकते हो। दिल ही दिल में एक आग लिए क्यों ऐसे दहकते हो। रुको जरा थमो जरा, मैं भी जलूं तेरे लिए।
May Almighty bless all the fathers. Now let us put our hands together for some Gujarati steps by our fourth Begonia girls on song Mehndi Rang.
तेरी सहेली मेरी पूछे मुझे, कितना साजन तेरा चाहे तुझे। तेरी सहेली मेरी पूछे मुझे, कितना साजन तेरा चाहे तुझे। मेहंदी तेरावे माड़े वे जन्मों जन्मों की बांधी है प्रीत रे, थोड़े से भी न टूटे कभी। देखा आँखों ने सपना एक प्यार का, सपना प्यारा न टूटे कभी।
छोड़े से भी ना, छोड़े से भी ना छूटे रंग छाप हंसी लगाई तेरे नाम की मेहंदी।
दिवावी मोड़वी नैनो रंग गयो, गुजरात रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो। दिवावी मोड़वी नैनो रंग गयो, गुजरात रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो।
The Gujarati beats on the stage. It's hard to find the grace of Madhubala, the inherited performance of Dilip Kumar in today's generation. But our 4th and 5th standard students from High Tech are here to bring that charm on the stage on a song, My Parwana.
मैं परवाना तेरा नाम बताना, तो प्यार में जलना जलाना जलाना, यूं नजर उठाना यूं नजर गिराना, तू शम्मा मैं हूँ मस्ताना मस्ताना। दिल पे वार 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 ऐसा किया, हर वार पार यार कर दिया। चढ़ी हुई है गरारी अड़ी हुई है, मैं फौजी आज टिप्सी हो गया। अख में मारूंगा दीवाना, पक्का जी मेरा निशाना। लक तू बचे ना बचाना, अख में मारूंगा दीवाना। मैं परवाना तेरा नाम बताना, ते प्यार में जलना जलाना।
न तुझ पे फेद एतबार मुझे है ना, स्ट्रेट खुले आम है ये कहना कि विंग स्विंग यहाँ ना हो पाए, ना सीन हार्ट बीट वाला मम्मा मिया। जावे जो रोमियो दीवाना, अच्छा है तेरा निशाना। लख तो ट्राई मारे जाना, कुछ नहीं होना हवाना। हमें मर जाना नहीं प्यार में तेरे पड़ जाना। हाँ बातें बचकाना, जरा होश में आना, नहीं तुझे से पटना पटाना। नहीं ज़ार 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 मुझे रोना, नहीं तो है मेरा दिल खिलौना। चढ़ी हुई है गरारी आड़ी हुई है, तू फौजी आज टिप्सी हो गया। जावे जो रोमियो दीवाना, अच्छा है तेरा निशाना। लख तो ट्राई मारे जाना, कुछ नहीं होना हवाना।
Thank you, students. You tried well to bring the grace of 60s on the stage. Our annual function is not only a celebration of talent, but also an opportunity to showcase the remarkable achievements of our institution. Let us take a moment to reflect on the milestones we have achieved together. An annual report is a comprehensive report detailing our school's activities throughout the preceding year.
The journey for the academic year 23-24 had been an exuberant and exquisite. To present the hard work and accomplishment of YMPNs in their academics and co-curricular activities, I request the diligent and compassionate personality that is our headmistress, Mrs. Sunanda ma'am, to present the annual report.
Everyone present here. I welcome you all on 13th year annual day celebration of Yadullah Malik Public School, 8th year annual day celebration of KGN, a unit of YM Public School, and 5th year annual day celebration, another branch of YM Public School, ITech. With a great pleasure, I present 13th annual report of our school for the academic year 2023-24 with our achievement registered by YMPS school. We thank Almighty for all blessings on our school. I wish to put on record my sincere gratitude of our honorable principal, sir. Sir, it is an honorable moment in today. We all are truly inspired by your deeds. We are pleased by the encouragement, support, and guidance gained from our parents, teachers, and our well-wishers. This helped us to spread quality education and teach our students how to live.
Pleasure and privilege to present the annual report of our progress to provide a YMPS during the academic session 2023 to 24. This academic year was spectacularly a successful year. As regularly this year also was filled with a lot of activities and celebrations with class-wise. Firstly, we began with Founders Day celebration. Nothing is more powerful than the power of words. I am honored to say our founder, Mr. Burhan Sharif, was known for his noble values, hard work, and commitment. He was known as a humble, generous nature and helpful person. Wholeheartedly and grand manner, the students showed their great gratitude to the founder to celebrating Founders Day. Investiture ceremony, Flag Day. The school cabinet was led by setup with a school captain, vice captain, sports vice captain, and cultural secretary and vice cultural secretary to great future leaders. YMPS focus on every child with skills to grow into a confident and responsible citizens. Health is wealth. Keeping this in mind, we conducted a health camp to our students in our school, 2nd of January 2024. This medical camp is to provide initial care to students in life to ensure conditions which reflect the unique strengths and goals of medical ethics. Milad-un-Nabi, Christmas, and Diwali festivals are a significant part of Indian culture, acting as a vehicle for the presentation of our values and emotions. All religious groups were welcome to participate in these celebrations. Independence Day was celebrated with a patriotic spirit by hoisting the national flag. The ceremony began with the honor for the chief guest, followed by students with a cultural program. The 5th of September, we celebrated Teachers' Day, and the day was started with a unique way welcome for the teachers by students, wholeheartedly in grand manner. The students also showed their great gratitude to the teachers by performing cultural programs and conducting games. God could not be everywhere, therefore he made mothers. As a mark of respect and love to our dream creator, we assume the 9th of September as Legends Day, a day which is celebrated as a tendency of love towards our dream creator. Our legend, the dream creator of YMPS, represent the ideals and values of society. The school thought of an innovative idea to celebrate Children's Day by organizing to entertain the students singing and dancing, where the students had unlimited fun throughout of the day. We celebrated all the key functions of our school and also our students' birthdays as a return gift from Principal Sir Badge with, quote, "Respect others." To promote the competitive spirit and to bring out the talent of the students, they are encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities. Competitions like calligraphy, drawing, singing, recitation, dance, and fancy dress competition were conducted during the course of the year. All competitions' winner names and highest percentage students' names list we displayed in stadium and in school compass. It was very beautiful and innovative idea to motivate students. Sports provide extra healthy potential of students in a positive manner. 2 days annual sports was held at the campus and stadium, where the students displayed their sporting powers by participating in various events with extensive interest. All the sports awardees will be honored today. Additional co-curricular activity, creativity, talent competition was introduced for the higher grade, and the students have exhibit their talent very interestly. Play gives children a chance to practice what they are learning. The school has organized one-day picnic programs for the students. The students of nursery to 4th standard were taken to the Fantasy Falls, while the students of middle school and high school were taken GRS. This was one day when all the teachers and the students together collectively had all the fun. Education trips can boost students' self-confidence by challenging them to step outside their comfort zones. Another big changes in annual exam, with 40 marks writing and assessment of scholastic skills like oral, textbook reading, project, and attribute exam for 10 marks. Through attribute exam divided into theory and practical with 2.5 marks. This consists of qualities such as confidence, obedience, regularity, punctuality, discipline, neatness, respect towards others, and school property also. The best way to be happy is only serving others. Every year, YMPS provided charity on the 31st of December to the government school students. This year, we provided beautiful bags. Our students to grow into fine human beings who are capable to face the challenges of the present world. We MPS introduced new concept, learn, write, and implement, 1-minute subject, which helping to children to build up qualities as compassion, respect, kindness, humanity, and relations in their daily lives. Word of the day. Every day during assembly, a new word in English, Kannada, and Hindi with the meaning and sentence were taught for students, which had helped them to improve their vocabulary. We have a strong support of our parents for our students to evaluate our quality of performance and plan for the future with more innovative methods of teaching and learning process. 5 meetings with parents are conducted at school campus and stadium. The cooperation of the parent with the teacher has resulted in developing a healthy relationship between student, teacher, and the parents. The objective of these sessions is also to seek the parents' participation and seek regular feedback. The parents can know the status of their child for daily attendance, school circulars, etc., through the school app on Android. We organized remedial class for below average students to help them to learn and grow in their academic development. On behalf of the management, a big thanks to all teachers for this dedicated work. We hope more better results in the coming years. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We are fortunate to have YM family of cerebral teachers who are well-trained, well-experienced, dedicated, and capable of fulfilling the demands of the growing modern generation of students. Apart from teaching the various core subjects, our teachers have an enthusiastic spirit of teaching co-curricular activity. This helps in exploring and nurturing the innate talents and skills of our promising students.
I also take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude of Principal Sir for the steady, ongoing support and encouragement. This is the support that helps us move ahead in maintaining high standard of education and discipline in our school. We take this opportunity to commit ourselves to do our best to serve this society through quality education. We seek the blessings from the Almighty to help and guide to us in the future in the right way. I would like to thank everyone to you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcase of achievement and glories of our school undoubtedly. In this memorable occasion, as we recount our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed efforts and to committed team called YM Public School. I conclude my report by praying that we will be able to cross many milestones and achieve greater success in coming years. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for manifesting the journey of YMPS. Energies are running high tonight, and the time has come now to felicitate the stars among us. Before we could start the prize distribution, can we have a pick of trophy,
Model
please?
of our trophy for this academic year is the Olympic flame, which symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge and life. As the Olympic flame spread its flame from one person to another, our principal sir has designed this trophy for our students, as our principal sir wished to spread the message among the society that has enlightened the world with your knowledge and wisdom. As the Olympic light ignites, let it illuminate the path towards peace, understanding and goodwill among all of us. I invite our main branch headmistress, Mrs. Sunanda, and our admin member, Mr. Waliullah Sharif, to please come on the dais and felicitate our 4th standard and 5th standard students of I-Tech and main branch.
Winners from 4th standard Aster from main branch for singing competition. First prize goes to Hansika P. Second Shri. Cheer them with
From the
round of
main
applause,
branch singing
audience.
competition, first prize goes to Asfiya A, second prize goes to Imadullah Khan, and the third prize goes to Shehzadi Begum Bibi.
Now I call our winners from 4th Begonia for singing competition. First prize goes to Moinuddin Pasha M. Second prize goes to Zaina Fatima. And the third prize goes to Zahra Fatima.
We have the winners from 5th Begonia. The first prize is bagged by Abdul Sattar Khan. The second prize is taken by Zoya Kaunain. And the third prize is taken by Aisha Siddiqa R.
Can we have a round of applause to cheer our tiny achievers?
Next, we have the winners from 5th standard Carnation. Mohammad Saqib gets the first prize. Izan Pasha gets the second prize. Iqra Fatima gets the third prize.
Next we have winners from 4th Carnation. First prize goes to Mehra Khan. Second prize goes to Alia Fatima. And the third prize goes to Zaina Kaunain S.
We have the winners of 5th standard high-tech branch in singing competition. The first prize is bagged by Zoya Arif. The second prize is taken by Hurul Ain Ahmadi. The third prize is taken by Muhammad Abdan.
Winners from 4th standard high-tech for singing competition. First prize goes to P. Emmanuel Tano. Second prize Muhammad Zain. And the third prize Muhammad Hasib.
Next, we have the winners of main branch in dance competition. The first prize is taken by Bushra Kaunain. The second prize is taken by Asfiya A. And the third prize goes to Umme Mehnaz Fatima. Next, we have the winners of dance competition. 5th standard Begonia. The first prize is taken by Misbah Fatima. The second prize is bagged by Nourain. And the third prize is taken by Abdul Sattar Khan.
Next we have from main branch dance competition winners from 4th Aster. First place goes to Saida Aisha. Second prize goes to Zoya Falak. And the third prize goes to Sakina.
Now we have the winners of 5th Carnation. The first prize is bagged by Iqra Fatima. The second prize is taken by Izan Pasha. And the third prize is taken by Muhammad Furqan. Congratulations, students. Next, we have the winners from high-tech branch and dance competition. The first prize is taken by Rida Zainab. The second prize is taken by Zoya Arif. And the third prize is taken by Hurul Ain Ahmadi.
Our winners from 4th Begonia for dance competition. First prize goes to Zoya Fatima. Second prize goes to Moinuddin Pasha M. And the third prize goes to Muhammad Azim Khan. declare the winners with a round of applause, audience.
Congratulations, students.
Next we have from 4th Carnation, first prize goes to Samreen Taj, second prize goes to Mehra Khan, and the third prize goes to Sufia Fatima.
Next we have the main branch winners from the sports competition. Among the boys, the first prize is taken by Mohammad Noman. The second prize is taken by Samadur Rahman. The third prize is taken by Shuaibullah Khan. And among the girls, the first prize is bagged by Zara Khanam. The second prize is taken by Shehzadi Begum Bibi. And the third prize is taken by Madiha.
Next we have our winners from 4th Standard High Tech, Farhan Ahmed.
I repeat.
From 4th Standard Astor, main branch for sports competition. Among the boys, first place goes to Syed Yunus, second place goes to Muhammad Hussain Sharif, third prize goes to Abdul Hannan.
Congratulations, students. Next we have the winners from 5th Standard Begonia. The first prize is taken by Abdul Sattar Khan. The second prize is taken by B. Lashwin. The third prize is taken by Muhammad Akif Farhan Ali.
Among the girls, first place goes to Navya Shri, second prize Sakina, and the third place goes to Zoya Falak.
And among the girls, the winners are: the first prize is bagged by Meher Taj. The second prize is taken by Alina Sharif. And the third prize is taken by Misbah Fatima.
Winners from 4th Begonia. Among the boys, first prize goes to Muhammad Azim Khan, Akhil Ji, and the second place goes to Muhammad Arhan. And among the girls, first prize goes to S. Hasna, second prize goes to Sayyida Faiza, and the third prize goes to Noor Ikhra.
Congratulations, students. Fifth Standard Carnation, the winners are: among the boys, the first prize is bagged by Ahmad Basha. The second prize is taken by Muhammad Muzammil. And the third prize is taken by Muhammad Ayan.
Next we have winners 4th Standard Carnation. Among the boys, first prize goes to Ifran Khan, second prize goes to Muhammad Kaif Pasha, and the third prize goes to Muhammad Abdul Qadir Khan.
And among the girls, we have the winners. The first prize is bagged by Rinza Fatima. The second prize is taken by Umehani Kausar. And the third prize is taken by Aisha Siddiqa.
Among the girls, winners from 4th Carnation are: first prize goes to Umme Asra, second prize goes to Mehta Khan, and the third place goes to Rifa Hurain.
Congratulations, students. Next, we have the winners from High-Tech branch in sports competition. The first prize is bagged by Muhammad Abdan. The second prize is taken by Afzan Pasha. Among the girls, the first prize is taken by Masira Taj and the second prize is taken by Rida Zainab.
From 4th Standard High-Tech branch for sports, among the boys, first prize goes to Farhan Ahmed, second prize goes to Muhammad Abdan, and the third prize goes to Mahib. Among the girls, first prize goes to Umme Madiha and the second prize goes to Nida Fatima.
Congratulations, students.
Can we have a round of applause for all the tiny achievers?
Thank you, sir, for felicitating our students with the certificates and the mementos. Thank you, ma'am, for felicitating our students with the certificates and the awards. Next, it's time to felicitate our 6th and 7th standard students of Main Branch and High Tech. For this, I invite our High Tech headmistress, Mrs. Seher, and unit headmistress, Ms. Sukanya. 7th standard in singing competition. The first prize is taken by Suhasini S. The second prize is taken by Madiha Fatima. And the third prize is taken by Sufyan Hussain.
6th standard Astor winners from Main Branch for singing competition. First prize goes to Rahima Fatima. Second prize goes to Rushda Fatima. And the third prize goes to Zoya Begum.
We have the winners from 7th standard Begonia. The first prize is taken by Zunaira. The second prize is taken by Sakina Khanam. And the third prize is taken by Asra Fatima.
6th Begonia winners. First prize goes to Iqra Maryam. Second prize goes to Syed Ghaus. And the third prize goes to Muhammad Ayan Khan.
Next we have the winners from 7th standard Carnation. The first prize is taken by Zunaira Taskeen. The second prize is bagged by Hanifa. And the third prize is taken by Sana Sultana and Adiba.
Winners from 6th standard Carnation. First prize goes to Gausia. Second prize goes to Rida. And the third prize goes to Yan Simra. I repeat, winners from 6th Carnation. Gausia, first prize. Rida, second prize. And Yan Simra, third prize.
Congratulations, students. Next we have the winners from High Tech Branch and singing competition. The first prize is taken by Syed Anas Hussain. The second prize is taken by Masira. And the third prize is taken by Syed Mubarak. Next we have the winners from Main Branch in dance competition. The first prize from 7th Astor. The first prize is bagged by Haji Rabi. The second prize is taken by Arif Pasha. And the third prize is taken by Asiya Banu. Congratulations, students.
Next we have winners from 6th standard High Tech for singing. First place goes to Syed Afin Pasha. Second prize goes to Ifran Pasha. And the third prize goes to Zishan Ali Khan.
Next we have the winners from dance competition from the Main Branch. The first prize, 7th Begonia students. The first prize is taken by Sheikh Sufyan. The second prize is taken by Asra Fatima. And the third prize is taken by Mehrun Nisa.
Next we have winners from 6th standard Astor Main Branch for dance competition. First prize goes to Zohra Roshan. Second prize goes to Sayyida Romana. And the third prize goes to Sayyida Siddiqa.
Next we have the winners from 7th Carnation in dance competition. The first place is taken by Alina Firdos. The second place is bagged by Adipa. And the third prize is taken by Hanifa. Congratulations, students. Parents, please. Huge round of applause for all the winners.
Next we have winners from 6th Begonia. First prize goes to Syed House, second prize goes to Ifra Mariam, and the third prize goes to Najib Pasha.
Next we have from High-Tech branch, the winners from the dance competition, 7th standard. First prize goes to Abdul Mehran, second prize is taken by Masira, and the third prize is taken by Syed Anas Hussain.
Winners from 6th Carnation. First place goes to Arhan Khan, second place goes to Rida Fatima, and the third prize goes to Yan Simra Fatima.
Next we have the winners from sports competition. From the main branch, the winners from 7th Aster are Abdul Latif gets the first prize, Syed Ayan gets the second prize, Mohammad Farhan gets the third prize. And among the girls, the winners are, the first prize is backed by Yogita Yes, the second place is taken by Priyanka T, and the third prize goes to Falak Afza.
Next we have winners from 6th standard High-Tech branch for dance competition. First prize goes to Zishan Ali Khan, second prize goes to Irfan Pasha, and the third prize goes to Zainullah Sharif.
Next we have the winners from 7th Begonia. Among the boys, the first prize is backed by Shuaib Sharif, the second prize is taken by Sheikh Sufyan, and the third place goes to Muhammad Haroon.
Our winners from 6th standard Aster from main branch for sports competition. Among the boys, first prize goes to Muhammad Faisal, second prize goes to Muhammad Izan, and the third prize goes to Muhammad Muin Sharif.
Next we have the winners. Among the girls, the first prize is backed by Sayyida Muskan, the second prize is taken by Sakina Khanam, and the third prize goes to Umme Kulsum Sharifa. Congratulations, students.
Sports winners among the girls from 6th Aster. First prize goes to Sayyida Noor Afshan, second prize goes to Sayyida Romana, and the third prize goes to Zoya Taj.
We have the winners from 7th Carnation. The first prize is taken by Muhammad Tawheed, the second prize goes to Sayyid Jalal Ikram, the third prize goes to Muhammad Atiqur Rahman Sharif.
Our winners from 6th Begonia. First prize goes to Yes Muhammad Hamza, second prize goes to Ayan Khan, and the third prize goes to Yan Najib Pasha.
Congratulations, students. Next we have the winners from 7th Carnation. Among the girls, the first prize is taken by Sana Sultana, the second prize goes to Zaina Mohammadi, and the third prize goes to Umme Kulsum.
Our winners from Begonia among the girls. First place goes to Alina Mohammadi, second prize goes to Aksa Beg, and the third prize goes to Aisha B.
Thank you, Seher ma'am.
Our winners from 6th Carnation. Among the boys, Sayyid Aftab, Muhammad Hanif second prize, and the third prize goes to Muhammad Ayan Malik. First prize goes to Sayyid Aftab, second prize Muhammad Hanif, and the third prize goes to Muhammad Ayan Malik. competition among the girls, the winners are: first prize goes to Limra Mariam, second prize goes to Iqra Begum, and the third prize goes to Shruti B.
Next, I would like to invite our Chief Ethics Executive, Mrs. Sumera, to felicitate our 8th Standard High Tech and Main Branch student. In singing competition, the first prize is taken by Shafia Ahmed, the second prize is bagged by Dania Fatima, and the third prize is taken by Umme Zainab. Next we have the winners from singing competition 8th Begonia. The first prize is bagged by Madiha Taj, the second prize is taken by Nurus Sabha, and the third prize is taken by Saida Zoya. Next we have the winners from singing competition from High Tech branch. The first prize is taken by Abu Bakr Siddiq. The second prize is bagged by Sayyid Miran. Sixth Standard Zain. We have the winners from High Tech branch for creativity talent. Mohammad Mohit gets the first prize. Abu Bakr Siddiq gets the second prize. Sayyid Miran gets the third prize. Main branch sports competition. The winners from the boys. Mohammad Kamran, Mohammad Sahil, Uwais Ahmed, Mohammad Musharraf, Mohammad Muhibullah Khan, Abdul Hafiz, Mohammad Junaid Pasha, Ahmad Aslan, Mohammad Aziz Ahad and Sayyid Tanzil in sports competition. Next we have the winners among the girls. Madiha Khanam, Noor Sabha, Sidra Sultana, Umme Zainab, J. Bindushri, Afifa Khanam, Alfa Ayman, Maryam Yusuf, Mahia N, Meenakshi N, Umeza Khanam and Gausia Khanam. These are the winners of sports competition. Congratulations, students. Abdul Hafiz, Mohammad Junaid Pasha, Ahmad Aslan, Mohammad Ahad and Sayyid Tanzil. These are the runner-ups of the sports competition. And among the girls, Madiha Khanam, Noor Sabha, Sidra Sultana, Umme Zainab, J. Bindushri, Afifa Khanam, Alfa Ayman, Maryam Yusuf, Mahia N, Meenakshi N, Umeza Khanam, Gausia Khanam. These are the runner-ups in sports competition. Next we have the winners in sports competition from 8th Begonia. Thank you, boys. Boys can move back. Sayyid Sameer, Fazal Khan, Dilip Kumar, Mohammad Safan Sharif, Sheikh Mohammad Saad and Mohammad Sufi. Congratulations, students. Congratulations, students. Next, I repeat the names of winners. Sayyid Abdul Manan, Mohammad Noorul Amin, Mohammad Ali, Sayyid Uzair, Sayyid Sameer, Fazal Khan, Dilip Kumar, Mohammad Safan Sharif, Sheikh Mohammad Saad and Mohammad Sufyan. Next we have the winners among the girls. Azwa Zuena, Madiha Taj, Kubra Fatima, Zainab Mirza Pathan, Kaunain Ahmadi, Ufra Fatima, Rebecca R, Saida Zoya, Nurus Sabha, Zoya Fatima N, Shafia Fatima and Tanusia. Congratulations, boys. For felicitating the students.
It is like a mirror. You smile at it, it smiles to you. Next, we have our 5th Aster boys to increase smile on your faces by dancing on a song, Muskurana Tera. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
क्यों तेरे इश्क का केसरी रंग है, देख कर यूं तुझे दिल मेरा दंग है। हुस्न देखा है पर तेरे जैसा नहीं, तेरे आगे तो हर रंग बेरंग है। सारी दुनिया की अब कोई कीमत नहीं, सारी दुनिया की अब कोई कीमत नहीं, सबसे महंगा है बस मुस्कुराना तेरा। मरने वाला तुझे देख कर जी उठे, देख ले वो अगर मुस्कुराना तेरा। सारी दुनिया की अब कोई कीमत नहीं, सबसे महंगा है बस मुस्कुराना तेरा। मरने वाला तुझे देख कर जी उठे, देख ले वो अगर मुस्कुराना तेरा, देख ले वो अगर मुस्कुराना तेरा। लफ्ज गूंगे हैं सब तेरी तारीफ में, रंग कैसे भरूं तेरी तस्वीर में। हाथ उठाकर यही मांगता हूँ दुआ, तुझको लिख दे खुदा मेरी तकदीर में। मेरी हसरत ये है और कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी हसरत ये है और कुछ भी नहीं, वरना मुश्किल तो है साथ पाना तेरा। मरने वाला तुझे देख कर जी उठे, देख ले वो अगर मुस्कुराना तेरा। सारी दुनिया
for your mesmerizing performance. Let's welcome the dazzling dolls of 5th Aster with the sizzling moves on song Majnu Banke.
मेरे बेसिक से है शौक नहीं, तेरे जैसे कि ये ब्लॉक कहीं। मेरे बेसिक से है शौक नहीं, शो ऑफ न कर तू इतना, तेरे जैसे कि ये ब्लॉक कहीं, हवा में ज्यादा उड़ना। ये प्यार व्यार की बातें अब लगती है बेकार, समझाऊं कितनी बार, क्यों तू मजनू बन के घूम रहा है पीछे पीछे यार, मेरा मजनू बन के घूम रहा है पीछे पीछे यार, क्यों तू मजनू पीछे पीछे यार, मेरा मजनू, समझाऊं कितनी बार, ना डेली डेली आया कर तू मेरे घर के बाहर, समझाऊं कितनी बार, समझाऊं कितनी बार, क्यों तू मजनू बन के घूम रहा है पीछे पीछे यार, मेरा मजनू बन के घूम रहा है पीछे पीछे यार, क्यों तू मजनू पीछे पीछे यार, मेरा मजनू, समझाऊं कितनी बार। जहाँ मैं जाऊँ वहाँ ही लगती आशिकों की कतार वे, सच बोलूं तो भर गया मन ये अब तो मेरा प्यार से, ना लेके आ तू रोज, ना कर मुझको प्रपोज, बस लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे ले जाके तू आना चाहे क्लोज, कितनी कितनी बार करूँ तेरे मुँह पे इनकार, समझाऊं कितनी बार, समझाऊं कितनी बार, तू मजनू बन के घूम रहा है पीछे पीछे यार, मेरा मजनू बन के घूम रहा है पीछे पीछे यार, क्यों तू मजनू पीछे पीछे यार, मेरा मजनू, समझाऊं कितनी बार, क्यों तू मजनू, मेरा मजनू।
Thank you, girls. That was really a sizzling performance. Here comes our 5th Begonia boys to win our hearts with lovely performance on a song Ahista Ahista.
ऐसे दिल को किसी ने छुआ ही नहीं, जैसे अब हो रहा है हुआ ही नहीं, इश्क करते हो तो फिर जताया करो, इश्क करते हो तो फिर जताया करो, राज दिल हमसे यूं ना छुपाया करो, आहिस्ता 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 हम तुम्हारे हुए, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम तुम्हारे हुए, यूं ना नजरों से हमको चुराया करो, देख कर हम तुम्हें फना हो गए, यूं ना चेहरे से जुल्फे हटाया करो, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता तकते हैं जब तुमको छुप छुप के, धड़कन चले मेरी रुक रुक के, तकते हैं जब तुमको छुप छुप के, धड़कन चले मेरी रुक रुक के, पास रहते हो तुम मेरे दिल बन के, चैन लूंगा तुझे हासिल करके, बात दिल की जरा तुम सुना तो करो, बात दिल की जरा तुम सुना तो करो, जान हाजिर है तुम बस इशारा करो, आहिस्ता 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 हम तुम्हारे हुए, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम तुम्हारे हुए। यूं ना नजरों से हमको चुराया करो, देख कर हम तुम्हें फना हो गए। यूं ना चेहरे से जुल्फे हटाया करो, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता।
Thank you, boys, for a beautiful performance.
Don't you think women are too choosy in selecting their outfits?
Yeah, but not everyone. By the way, why are we discussing the outfits now?
Because our next performance is on song Jodha by 5th Begonia Girls.
Welcome our girls with a huge round of applause.
पहले खुद फिर खुदा से जुदा करेंगे, पहले खुद फिर खुदा से जुदा करेंगे, पहले खुद फिर खुदा से जुदा करेंगे। ए जोड़ा चांदी वाला जोड़ा, तेरा कितना जोड़ा, दस कितना मोड़ा। ए जोड़ा चांदी वाला जोड़ा, तेरा कितना जोड़ा, दस कितना मोड़ा। ओ साडा कितना ना लिहाज दे तू थोड़ा। ओए आशिक बनाउण वाले आ, हाय मिट्टी च रलाउण वाले आ। बे आशिक बनाउण मिट्टी च रलाउण वाले आ। ए जोड़ा चांदी वाला जोड़ा, तेरा दिता जोड़ा। जेड़े इक दे नहीं ओह टिकदे नहीं, सानू की समझदे असी बिकदे नहीं। हो जेड़े टिकदे नहीं ओह टिकदे नहीं, सानू की समझदे असी बिकदे नहीं। साथ ना छोड़ेगी तेरी बदनामियां, साथ ना छोड़ेगी तेरी बदनामियां, साथ ना छोड़ेगी तेरी बदनामियां। हो तेरा नाम सी मैं को बस रटिया, तेरा नाम सी मैं को बस रटिया। हो बदनामी तो सवाना कुछ खटिया। बे रब अखवाण वाले आ, बे मिट्टी च रलाउण वाले आ। बे रब अखवाण वाले आ, बे मिट्टी च रलाउण वाले आ। ए जोड़ा चांदी वाला जोड़ा, तेरा दिता जोड़ा, दस कितना मोड़ा।
Thank you, girls.
That was a charismatic performance. Everything in this world is temporary.
Life changes, people come and go in life.
So no matter what you are going through right now,
Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination.
to convey this beautiful message through their performance on a song Pal Do Pal Ka Rahi, let's welcome our YMPS.
मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ। मुझसे पहले कितने शायर आए और आकर चले गए, कुछ आहें भर कर लौट गए, कुछ नगमे गा कर चले गए। वो भी एक पल का किस्सा थे, मैं भी एक पल का किस्सा हूँ, कल तुमसे जुदा हो जाऊंगा, गो आज तुम्हारा हिस्सा हूँ। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल दी है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ। कल और आएंगे नगमों की खिलती कलियां चुनने वाले, मुझसे बेहतर कहने वाले, तुमसे बेहतर सुनने वाले। कल कोई मुझको याद करे, क्यों कोई मुझको याद करे, मसरूफ जमाना मेरे लिए क्यों वक्त अपना बर्बाद करे। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ।
Thank you, girls, for conveying a beautiful message for us. Strong leadership is the foundation of a school success, and without you, that would not be possible.
As we embark on a new chapter, please join with us in welcoming our outstanding,
uplifting,
a perfectionist,
a visionary,
a peacemaker,
and the boss, none other than our principal sir, Dr. Allah Jarifullah Sharif sir on the dais to share some wisdom and motivation.
Welcome our principal, sir, with a huge round of applause.
Alhamdulillah, all praises to Almighty and His beloved ones. Good evening, respected ladies and gentlemen. An evening worn with wonders, thrill, dedication, and beyond. I offer my sincere gratitude for gracing us with your presence. The response to the pandemic challenge highlights the exceptional commitment of IM Public School. We have diligently implemented innovative strategies to address disruption caused by crisis. By utilizing virtual classrooms and transforming physical learning spaces, we have created a new hub for students. Amid uncertainty, the unwavering ethos of IMPS ensures that every student receives the necessary resource and encouragement to succeed. Confronted with unusual challenges, we have shown unwavering dedication and ingenuity in adapting to the new normal. By the blessings of Almighty, the lost essence of discipline, which waned in the shadows of pandemic, has been rekindled within the hearts of our students. As we journey further, our gaze shall turn towards nurturing their normal campus, extracting the purest essence to illuminate their path. Dear parents, in today's world, child often seek a best friend in their parents. By building a strong bond with your children and being their confidant, you can witness a positive transformation in them. A best friend is there to listen, support, and guide. And as a parent, embracing this role can create a deeper connection and understanding between you and your child. So let's be the best friend our children need to navigate through life, ups and downs, with confidence and trust. Parents, your support and cooperation have been instrumental in our journey. Your belief in us has helped us to achieve our goals and set a new benchmark. We value your trust and assure you that we will continue to strive for excellence in education. Before I could conclude my speech, I extend my thanks to YM family and my admin team who are always with me to execute innovative ideas. I remain thankful to Almighty for blessing us with such a platform for serving the society and for such a marvelous evening. I wish all the best for those students who are going to appear for their board exams. I seek blessings from Allah and Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Nasrun minallahi wa fatahun kareeb. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the stimulative thoughts, and your words will remain an inspiration to all of us. ABCD. Do you know what does it mean? Yes, it means anybody can dance. Let us call our 5th Carnation boys to perform on a song, Nach.
When you hear the rhythm, start to move.
पाँव मिले हैं नाच ले बेटे, हाथ मिले हैं बाज ले बेटे। पाँव मिले हैं नाच ले बेटे, हाथ मिले हैं बाज ले बेटे। जो मांगे तू आज ले बेटे, बस एक काम तो साध ले बेटे। भीतर मस्ती बाहर शोर है, दया है उसकी तेरा दौर है। मूनलाइट भी तेरी और है, आ माइकल बन जा। आज गली अपनी डांस फ्लोर है। गली अपनी डांस फ्लोर है। रे बेटा नाच, धनाधन नाच, दबा के नाच 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 नाच। Let's go.
Thank you, boys. That was a nacho performance. Next, we have 5th Carnation girls to dance on a song, Munda Kitta Reh Gaya. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
अच्छी लगती है मैं तो मिस इंडिया, कर टिम टिम तारों वाली बिंदिया, मैंने नॉन स्टॉप तक दिन सारे ओवे माहिया। तेरे हाथ में है जो मेहंदी, बस नाम उसी का लेंदी, वो खोया कहाँ पे है ढूंढो जरा। रिंग सेरेमनी आज रखवा के, बैंड बाजा आज कट बुला के, मन मेरा कितना
That was a graceful performance. When we hear the word bhoot, we feel scared, isn't it? But don't get scared, because our crazy dancers of 5th and 6th standard from High Tech are here to perform on a song, Bhoot Ka Dance.
नचेगा दीवाना, वो देखेगा ज़माना, ओ मोरी सुफियाना सी पाटिया। नचेगा दीवाना, वो देखेगा ज़माना, ओ मोरी सुफियाना सी पाटिया। फिकर भुला के, तू कमर हिला के, और नच ले मेरे संग साथिया। कोई मुझे रोको जरा, नच नच के हाथ का बीट बढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मेरा लड़िया इश्क का बेंच लड़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मेरा लड़िया इश्क का बेंच लड़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया। आधा टेढ़ा डांस मेरा अच्छा लगे तुमको, जैसे मैं करता हूँ वो कॉपी करो। क्या हो गया जरा सा अगर सिर्फ गलत हो जाए, करना मगर दिल से जो भी करो। छुट्टी है ये गाना बड़ा, इससे बार बार मैं रिपीट करे। मैनू चढ़िया डांस का, मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मेरा